Hello students, today in this video I am explaining you chapter number 6, the introduction of the chapter number 6 and exercise 6.1. Now see, the name of the chapter is triangles, chapter number 6 of NCERT. The name of the chapter is triangles, but actually triangles you have read in the 9th class also. Then what is new in the 10th class? In this we will be talking about this term similar figure, similar triangle. Now in similar figure, two figures are similar or alike. We will talk about this topic. Then in this chapter, we will talk about the Pythagoras theorem also. That is also the part of this particular chapter. So in this chapter, we will be studying two important topics. One is similar triangles and the Pythagoras theorem, that is the problems based on the right angle triangle. And there are few important theorems also in this particular chapter. Now first I am starting with the similar figure. See dear students, if I take a picture, yes, and if I ask somebody to get the photocopy of that picture. Now photocopy can be in three sizes. One is the original one, and one I ask the person to get a reduced photocopy, and one I ask the person to get the enlarged photocopy. Now when I keep all these photographs at one place, you will find that all these are similar to each other. Only they are different in their sizes. You know, sometimes when we are getting the photographs, we get the stamp size photograph, the passport size photograph and the postcard size photograph of the same click. Then all these three are similar to each other. That is the meaning of the similar figure. As far as the polygons are concerned, two polygons with same number of sides. Two polygons with same number of sides are similar if their corresponding angles are equal. Very important part is the angles are equal and their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. So in the similarity there are two important things. The angles are equal and the sides are in the same ratio, or we say that the sides are proportional. Now in this connection you see all the figures which are having angles equal and the sides proportional will be similar figure. And if it is polygon, it is similar polygon. I am giving you the example of similar figure as I told you that when we get the reduced photocopy or enlarged photocopy, then we say this. Now, in the case of triangles, instead of similar figure, if I add here triangles, similar triangles, then what we say, two triangles are similar. Two triangles are similar if their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are proportional. This is the definition of two similar triangles. Two or more triangles, if they are similar, their angles will be equal and their sides will be proportional. That will be, the sides will be in the same ratio. I am taking the exercise 6.1. Please see the problems of exercise 6.1. Yes, dear students, now you see exercise 6.1. The first problem is all the circles are similar. See, if I draw one circle and if I draw the other circle, yes, their radius will be always proportional. That is, the ratio will be the same. So all the circles are similar. If you take the bangles of different sizes, they will look alike. Only the sizes are different. So we can say that all the circles are similar. All the squares are similar. All the squares are similar. Why it is? Because in the square, if I draw one square of side 5 centimeter and the other square of side 10 centimeter, the side is 10 centimeter, then you know that all the angles are equal, 90, 90, 90. And what is the ratio of all the sides? 5 by 10, 5 by 10, 5 by 10, 5 by 10, 1 by 2. So the sides are proportional and the angles are equal. See all the equilateral triangles are similar. Because if we draw so many triangles, please see these triangles now, they all will be similar. The reason is their angles are 60, 60, 60, and if the side of this is 2 and the side of this is 3, then this will be 2, this will be 3, this will be 2 and this will be 3. So you see the ratio of the side, 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 2 by 3, and all the angles will be equal. So we say that the last part of this sum is two polygons of the same number of sides are similar if their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are proportional. That fourth part I already told you. Second problem is कि give two different examples of pair of similar figure. You see now so many examples. Circles are similar, squares are similar, equilateral triangles are similar. So these are the similar figures. These are the examples of similar. Now we say non-similar figure. You see the second problem, second part, non-similar. Circles and squares, they will not be similar to each other. Squares and equilateral triangles, they will not be similar to each other. Yes, squares similar, but squares and triangles, when we join them, they will not be similar. So in this way, we can say that these are the examples of non-similar figure. And in question number 3 of exercise 6.1, here this is a rhombus and this is a square. And what is the side of the rhombus? 1.5. Rhombus ki side 1.5 and the side of the square is 3. This is 1.5 and this is 3. So these two are not similar. The reason is their sides are proportional. Agree, every side is doubled, but the angles are not equal. The angle, this angle is 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree, but this angle is smaller and this angle is bigger. These two are equal and these two are equal. No, so these two angles are not equal. It is looking smaller and it is looking bigger. But here these two angles are equal and all the four angles are equal to each other, 90 degree. So here the rhombus and the square, and these two are not equal. You can visualize them with the help of diagram only, that if we get the photocopy of this figure, we will not get such type of figure in the photocopy. If we increase also and if we reduce also. So we say that these two figures are not similar. So in total now we understood a concept that if you click a photograph and if you ask the photographer to get the copy of that photograph in different sizes, 4 by 6, 6 by 8, 8 by 10, 10 by 14, different sizes, 9 by 16, 16 by 9, what you will find that in all these, if you get the photocopy of that photograph, it will be definitely similar to the original photograph. So that is the meaning of the similarity criteria in the polygons or in figure we say. And when we talk exclusively about the triangle, then we know two concepts. The angles must be equal and the sides must be proportional. I hope this part is clear to you now. Thank you.